Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to today conversation. Puji and I are excited to have you here as we discuss various aspects of our daily work lives, career aspirations, personal growth, and even some tips on how we stay motivated. This is just about sharing our experience. We hope this conversation can inspire you to reflect on your own journey and find ways to grow. My name is Dini, and with me today is my amazing college Uji.
Hey everyone, thanks for joining us, Dini and I have been working together for quite some time, and we have so many discussions about balancing work and life, setting goals and overcoming challenges. Today we're going to share some of the stuff with you. We will talk about what keeps us going, what we're striving for, and how we try to make every day count. So make yourself comfortable and let's get started. Dini, let's start with something relatable, our daily work routine in this. What do you think about our typical day at work? Do you enjoy the peace or do you feel it is too demanding?
That's good place to start. Puji, to be honest, our daily activities can be pretty intense. In my department, things are fast-paced, especially when deadlines are looming. I actually start my day by prioritizing tasks. There are meetings to attend, reports to update, and sometimes last minute requests from manager that need immediate attention. It can feel chaotic at times, but I actually enjoy the adrenaline rush. It keeps things exciting and prevents me from feeling stagnant. How is your department?
It is quite different. My department focus more on documentation and evaluation. We analyze the data, prepare monthly report, and ensure everything is running smoothly. The work is hectic but requires a lot of attention to detail. Sometimes it feels repetitive, but I feel learning to find satisfaction in getting things right. It is rewarding to know that our analysis had good important decision. How do you handle that overwhelming moment in your department, Dini?
Honestly, it's all about staying organized. I make to-do lists and priorities text based on urgency and importance. Also, I take short breaks during the day, sometimes just a quick walk to clear my head. Another thing that helps is reminding myself of the impact of my work. Knowing that my efforts contribute to the team's success keeps me motivated. How about you? How do you stay motivated, especially when the work feels monotonous?
For me, it is about focusing on the bigger picture. Even when tasks feel routine, I remind myself that my work is essential for the team and the organization. I also try to make the process enjoyable. For example, listening to calming music or rewarding myself with a treat after finishing a challenging report. Little things like that make a big difference.
Speaking or motivation, Puji, what are your long-term career goals?
That's a great question. My ultimate goal is to lead projects and manage teams, especially in product development or management. I love that idea of bringing ideas to life and making an impact. But outside of work, I have a more space dream. I want to open a restaurant. Cooking has always been a passion of mine, and I'd love to create a space where people can enjoy good food and feel at home. What about you, Dini?
That's such a cool dream, Puji. For me, my career goal is the specialist in financial management and investment. I want to gain enough experience to eventually start my own financial consulting business. I believe there's a lot of potential in helping people make smart financial decisions, and it's a field that I'm passionate about, but I am curious, how do you plan to balance your dream of running a restaurant with your current career goals?
That's something you've talked about a lot. For now, I am focused on building my skill and gaining experience in project management. But I'm also exploring ways to combine my interest. For example, I could start small, like running a food blog or hosting pop-up dining events on weekends. It is all about taking gradual steps toward the bigger dream.
I love that approach, Puji. It's inspiring to see how you're working toward your dreams while staying grounded in your current role.
Let's shift gears a bit. What's your take on our office environment? Do you feel it's conducive to personal and professional growth?
I think the environment here is pretty supportive. The team dynamics are great. Everyone is willing to help each other, and there's a genuine sense of collaboration. That side, there always room for improvement. For example, I think adding more comfortable workspace or even a simple action area called boost morale and productivity. What about you, Puji?
I completely agree. The friendly atmosphere here definitely makes work more enjoyable, but I do think we could benefit from better facilities, a creative space, or a proper break room will be amazing. Sometimes a change of scenery can do wonders for creativity and focus.
Actually, it's little things like that which can make a big difference. Speaking of change, if you could implement one thing in the office, what would it be?
I say more than building activities. I think it is important to strengthen the bonds between colleagues. It doesn't have to something extravagant. Simple activity like workshop, fun salons, or even casual lunch outings can help. What about you?
I love that idea. For me, I focus on wellness in initiatives like offering yoga class or mindfulness session during lunch breaks. It's a great way to help employees recharge and stay mental healthy.
On a more personal note, Dini, what's your biggest goal for this year?
My main goal is to enhance my skills in data analysis. Data is such a powerful tool in today's world, and I want to get better at using it to drive these decisions. On top of that, I'm working on maintaining a healthier work-life balance. Sometimes I get I get so caught up in work that I forget to rest. So I am making self-care a priority this year. What about you, Puji?
My target is to improve my time management skill. I often find myself overwhelmed by the number of tasks on my plate, and I want to learn how to manage my time more effectively. That's why I can have more free time to pursue other interests like learning new skill or exploring hobby.
Uh, have you talked about joining any training programs to support your personal growth?
Definitely, I'm looking into training on project management and presentation skill. Both are essential for my career aspiration. I also want to attend workshop on leadership to prepare myself for managing teams in the future. Are you considering any course, Dini?
Yes, I'm planning to take courses in data analysis and financial modeling. That skills align with my long time goals, and I think they give me a competitive edge in the field. Continuous learning is so important. It helps you. It helps us stay relevant and prepare for new challenges.
I think we covered a lot of ground today. Ini from your daily routines to our dreams and challenges. This has been such a meaningful conversation.
I agree, Puji. I hope this discussion has given everyone listening some inspiration and insight, whether it's about setting goals, overcoming obstacles, or finding balance. There's always room to grow and improve.
Absolutely, thank you all for being part of this conversation. Remember, growth is a journey, and very small step counts. Stay motivated, keep learning, and don't be afraid to dream big. Have a fantastic day and goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep striving for greatness, and we'll see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.